To get hot water, make sure the LPG bottle is turned on and there is enough fresh water in the tank. Turn on the Truma control screen by pressing the circular button. To heat the water, select the second symbol showing a thermostat. Hot. This can take 2 hours to heat. You will have hot water throughout the day. Boost. Hot water in 45 minutes. Eco. An energy-efficient heating of the water. To turn on the heating for the camper, select the first icon showing a motorhome with a thermostat inside of it. This is where you set the temperature you would like your camper to be. Turn the knob until you reach the desired temperature and click the large button. You will appear on the home screen again. Move across to the third icon showing a bottle and an electric symbol. This is where you can select the source for your heating. Gas. Select when while camping or not plugged into a campsite. Mix 1, Mix 2. Using gas and electric. Elect 1, Elect 2. Select when plugged into a 240 volt at a campsite. Remember to make sure the gas bottle is securely turned off before driving and that the hot water and water pump switch are turned off when not in use. If an error code appears on the screen, turn the water heater off for 10 minutes to let the boiler cool down. Please wait for up to 45 minutes for the water to get hot.